Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making peanut butter chocolate protein balls. Sometimes they're called bliss balls, but I'm calling them protein balls because I'm going to be adding a little bit of hemp seed to kind of kick up the protein in them. We're also going to be using dates, and I love using dates. You get so many benefits from them. You get fiber, copper, selenium, potassium, iron, magnesium. And then the hemp seeds, you get a little kick of protein, you get your omega-3s and 6s, and then you also get protein and you get potassium and zinc and magnesium. So it's just good all around. So here's our ingredients. We've got our pitted dates. I've got about 25 or so in there. I've got a cup of oatmeal. I've got some cocoa powder, PB2, peanut butter, I've got some vanilla, and I've got our hemp seeds. After pulsing, you want to get kind of like a crumbly consistency. We're going to add a little bit of water to kind of help it bind up a little bit, and then we'll be able to roll these up and make balls. I would start with 2 tablespoons of water, and I end up putting about 4, but you can see now you can pick them up and roll them in a ball. So let's get started. So what I like to do is take about a tablespoon, roll them in a ball, and then I've got 4 different choices here that you can roll these in. I've got some pistachios, just chopped up some pistachios. I've got some peanuts. I've got some coconut, shredded coconut, and then I've got some PB2. And so I'm just gonna make some different ones. I'm gonna start with the pistachio. And I'm just gonna continue and make 4 different kinds, and then we'll be ready for a taste. All right, it is time to taste these delicious peanut butter chocolate protein balls. Look at that. Now these are great if you want to chill them, or you could just eat them as is. This is something that would be great to do with your kids. They love getting their hands in that dough and rolling them around and getting their hands dirty. And this is just something you can take before the gym, after the gym. Throw a few in your purse and take them with you for a snack, and they'll just give you that boost of energy that you need, and you'll know that you're getting a really healthy snack with no sugar and some protein and all kinds of vitamins and fiber. So let's give this one a try. I'm gonna do the pistachio. Looks really good. And they are really good. Oh my gosh. Delicious. Oh, can you see that? They're sweet, but not too sweet. And I like the nuts because they have a little hint of salt, so it kind of balances out the sweets. So another winner in my book. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.